is Peter Hitchcock, AVF 1402, discussing the week 4 project. And let me show you first. App's still on my iPad, thank goodness, but I'll demo it through the Reflector app. This week I was able to make some pretty decent changes. Honestly, I had a hard time integrating some of the native features with my APIs in a mashup, and honestly, still pulling my hair out over it. I don't know, my brain just shut down. But I'll start with my geolocation. This week I added a little more styling to it, and I added the ability to automatically locate yourself on a Google map. Um, my connect, notify, and accelerate are still the I didn't make any changes to those this week, other than a little bit more CSS styling. And same with the compasses, just a little different CSS styling. My Instagram API I mashed up just with the notifications. I didn't really know what else to do with that. Um, so let's type in the name of my city and hopefully there's nothing too crazy on here. But it pops up a notification saying your search, and it tells you what you searched for and how many results you have. And hopefully you heard it. It also made a little bit of a beep. Sunlight Foundation API is one that I was having issues with. I changed the some styling in it as well. I was trying to integrate the in-app browser, and just when I was cycling it through the loop, I just can't get it to work. What I was hoping to do is when you click visit the website, that the in-app browser would take over, and you would be able to browse through that. But I just can't get that to work for some reason, and I don't know. Hopefully, if somebody takes a look at my code, you can see what I did wrong and help me out with that. And then the last one, my Trail API, I changed the styling on that also, and I was trying to integrate geolocation with this. With the Trail API, I'm able to get the longitude and latitude, but I'm unable to. Kind of the same thing. I'm having the exact same problem with this as once I try to put my code in the loop to have it dynamically populate the information, I just can't get it to work past there. So stuck on those two. I have all of my research questions in here, and that's about it. On the iPad, I'm going to also pick up my Nexus 7 so I can show you everything's working on there. I'll just hold on one second. Sorry about that. I had to turn off the light. Too much of a glare on the Nexus 7. So here it is. It's running on there. I'm going to demo it through Reflector also. And same thing. The only difference with the Nexus 7 is that the media queries are set up, so when you turn it, it'll change colors. And the geo, okay, so same thing, geolocation is working with the Google Maps. The Connect is working. Notify, there's an issue with that one on Android. I'm not sure why. I'm still digging into that. Accelerometer, the compass. Compass is kind of weird on Android also. Initially, sometimes I'll get, I don't know if you can see it, but I get a blank heading, just a heading 0 the first time, and then the second time I click on it, it'll give me the correct heading. Instagram, notification works, but I can't get the beep or vibrate to work on that, but I can definitely get a pop-up. Same thing, it tells you what you searched for and how many results you have. Sunlight Foundation. And then the last one is the Trail API. So it's pulling all the information as well. So overall, I definitely learned a ton this month. Um, Everything was fairly easy for me until honestly this week, and I don't know why. It's like my brain just died, um, and I was able to get some things clicking, and still have issues with a few more, and I'm uh, I'm still going to work on them until I get them to work. So um, hopefully everybody had a good month, and I'll see you guys next month in our next class. Thanks for watching. Again, Peter Hitchcock, AVF 1402. Have a good night.